Hello everyone, welcome to Being Civil. This is video number 14 of our series OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll extract the release specification of selected members from STAAD to Excel with the help of OpenSTAAD and Excel VBA macro. So, all of you know that every member has 6 degrees of freedom: fx, fy, fz and mx, my, mz. Here 0 means its movement in that direction is restrained, that is no release, and 1 means its movement is released. So for 87, you can see this is 87 member, its start has my, mz release and end has also my, mz release. That's why in the extracted data my, mz it's 1 and also my, mz at the end release it's also 1. So without wasting any time, let's start coding. I have already written the basic code to get the selected beams that I have already discussed in the previous videos. Here just I am discussing the additional part that you have to write. So in these 3 variables are additional for this release specification video. So the release table, it is a variant type, it will store all the release information. And in the release table it has 2 arrays, release array and spring constant array. Both you have to declare. These 2 arrays are of length 6 elements, so that's why I have written 5 here as array starts from 0. I am not discussing this part, it will get the selected beams. At this stage you get the selected beams in this cell beams array. So you have to write down the selected beams in the Excel. For that you have to write down a for loop. So this line is writing these selected beams from starting from row 3 and in the column 1. Now you have to get the release specification. OpenSTAAD function is .property.get member release spec, and you have to pass the selected beam, then comma 0. 0 means start and 1 means end. So when you extract the start release information, you have to write down here 0, then your release array and spring constant array. So you are done. Now at this stage the release information will be stored in this release array. So you have to write down this release array by using a for loop. I am writing a for loop from I1 to 6 and it will start from column 3, so I plus 2 here, and it will start from row 3 also, so as j plus 2 and the release array. Additionally, you have to do at the end of this loop, you have to delete this release array. Outer loop will start again for another member. So that's all. So this is for the start release, and for the end release you have to write down again a for loop. So I'm just copying this and paste this. So I don't need this one, that is already beam numbers is printed, and here for instead of 0 you have to write down 1, and it will start from j column, that is column number 10, so it will be I plus 9 and j plus 2 is all right, and that's all. And at the end you have to just write down this. Our code is ready. Let's delete the lines, and for 87 members just click on this. So you see 87 member start and end both are released. For 83 member there is no release, so you will get all the 0. For 89 start will be all 0 and end will be my, mz 1. That's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful in understanding how to extract the release specification from STAAD using VBA and OpenSTAAD. In the next video, we will take this further by extracting all the members that have a particular release, either start or end. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Being Civil for more tutorials. Also let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.